Want to experience the chaotic fun of Garry's mod on your PS5? It's not a direct port, but let me show you how to unlock a similar world of creative possibilities. First, power on your PS5 and head over to the PlayStation Store. This is your gateway to a game that will let you create a world. In the search bar, type in Dreams. Dreams, by Media Molecule, offers similar sandbox creation tools to Garry's mod. Select Dreams from the search results. Once you're on the Dreams page, you'll see the option to purchase and download the game. Go ahead and purchase it, then download it. After downloading, launch Dreams. You'll be greeted with a tutorial, walk through it, and get familiar with the controls. Now for the fun part, enter DreamShaping, which is Dreams creation mode. Here, you can build your own worlds, characters, and games. Explore the Dreamiverse. This is where other players share their creations. Search for games and experiences similar to what you'd find in Garry's mod, like physics-based challenges, sandbox environments, and wacky adventures. While it's not exactly Garry's mod, Dreams provides an incredible platform to unleash your creativity and enjoy user-generated content with a similar feel. Now go have fun and make something awesome.